Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to design a layout and how to prepare before designing the layout for any website. So let's start. So to start designing the layout on a paper or any wireframe platform like Proto.io or Adobe, so it will be helpful for you before developing the actual website. You know how your website look like and then start taking the effort developing the website. As you are a beginner, you can start developing through HTML and CSS. And once you are start planning any like your project, then first of all you have to design the layouts. Then you have to design the flow between those layouts, that is navigation, and then you can start building it. So here we will see some sample design, sample layout design, and for a layout for a website, you must have a good design of it, easy navigations between the pages, and your layout must be a responsive layout. And also you can make use of a good combination of colors, and you can also use images or infographic images. You can search it on Google how infographic images, what is infographic images. So you can use it in your those images you can use that will provide some information. So that will also a good practice when you are designing a website. Okay, so let's start with a few sample design. Here you can consider this design here. So here in this design you can treat it, this one will be the logo, and here you have to put the heading in the center, or you can shift your heading to the left. Okay, then after that this is this button should not this line should not be here, it should be blank. After that you have to put a navigation bar. So once you have your navigation bar here in this section, so user can search for any book. So this layout I'm talking about any book. So here the user can type the book name or title name and then search. Also in the left side we have created one list box in which we have mentioned the heading categories. So here will be a list of categories that user can view, that these are the category of books. And here you can here this will be the heading. Okay, so this heading says the top search books, so you can display the top search books images here and the title of the book here below the image. So this list can be grow. Okay, so to design such things you can use different things like display attribute by using div tag. You can use flex, you can use grid. So here we'll see all those flex and grid and display in the next video. So here you can use this as a grid or a flex. Okay, then another, let's talk about another design. So you can use your company name as a logo in the design. Here you can see here that we have created a logo like this. So booksmeadows.com. So this will be logo for the company, and along with we have a search bar here where user can type the search search with author, title, or ISBN number. Then you have a navigation bar, home, about, contact us, published with us. So this may be the navigation option that you can put in your website. After that, you can go for the most popular book. This will be the headline. This will be the heading. Okay. Then here are the images of the books, and again the title of the book. So that's what I'm talking about. You can use different combination of colors when you are designing the website. So it looks a little bit different from the as usual. Okay, so here these are the different books with the different colors. So you can use border around the book so that they will be appear in a different color borders, and then the text here. Then next there will be a right section in which there is a list of top searched book that user has top searched. Then after that there will be a view more button. So you can use that when user going to click on it, there will be a list of more popular books will be displayed. After that you can create a category section. So in this category sections you have a book of list, so you can display different list different categories, and in those categories box there will be a list of books. Then at the end you have social links for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and handler. Then there you have a contact info in which you can mention your email address, contact number, and at the end you can display the already reserved footer note and your website name. Okay. So try to make a good combination of color and images in your book. And here can let's see an example of how to design this layout. So as we have explained in our online session also, here this will be the logo. Here you have that heading of the website, then you have a navigation bar, then this will be the subheading with some text, and there will be a right section having heading and image. Then there will be a different sections, and when you scroll down to the bottom, so you can see here this navigation bar gets stuck at the top, and at the below there will be a different blocks that you can put, and at the end there will be a footer note. So let's have a code on this, and we'll see in the next video.